This is Matt, and this will be a straightforward video on how to turn notifications on or notifications off on Firefox, on the Firefox browser. So I'm right here on the main homepage of my Firefox. So sometimes with websites sending you notifications and stuff, it can be quite annoying. I'll show you how to turn those off and also how to turn them back on if you want to do that as well. So right here on Firefox, we're going to come up to the very top where it says Firefox. So just to the left of File, and we have Firefox. 2 down, we're going to click on Preferences. Now the main general preferences will open. We don't want this main general tab. We want to come down 3. So we have general, we have home, we have search, and then right here, privacy and security. We click on privacy and security. We now scroll down until we get to permissions right here. So it says permissions you give to websites you browse. So we have things like location, camera, microphone, speaker, and then we have notifications here. So we're going to click on notifications. This window will open, and what this will show you is all of the websites that have been allowed or not allowed to send you notifications. So as Firefox informs us, the following websites have requested to send you notifications. You can specify which websites are allowed to send you notifications. You can also block new requests asking to allow notifications. So very important. We could select all of them here if you have a bunch of websites. Most of the time I keep this pretty clear. As you can see, we can remove these websites one by one by selecting them and then clicking remove. We can select them all and or just click this one right here for remove all websites, or remove everything. And we can also do, we can finesse this, we can do granular detail. Right now we have Facebook, for instance, is set to block. I can allow that right here. So you might have a whole bunch of websites, more than I have here. You can choose to allow each website or whatever website you want to actually send you notifications, or you can block them. So very simple. You can remove a website completely, you can remove all websites completely, or you can choose to block and allow on a granular level. You can search for websites here if you have a lot of websites. And then this option at the bottom, very important, you can tick this one, and this will block new requests from asking you to allow notifications. So this will prevent essentially websites not listed above from requesting permission to send notifications. Blocking notifications may break some website features, so they just have to note that there. But in general, this will stop you from actually receiving notifications in general, which might be what you're watching this video for. So you can allow, you can block, which is what this video is about. You can remove all, you can remove websites individually, or you can block everything. We will go save changes, and just like that, those changes will be reflected now in the rest of the operation of your Firefox browser. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.